A very warm welcome to all of you guys. Today we are going to see VLOOKUP function in the discount table. So watch the full video, then only you are going to understand the application of VLOOKUP function. Okay. So here I have taken product, their units are, their codes are given, their sales price is given, sales unit is given. Then we have to calculate sales amount, discount applicable, and net sales after discount. So here is the table in which we have to apply VLOOKUP function in which discount percentage is given. So let's suppose there is a company and it having a policy of discount percentage policy, and it will give discount percentage to the amount which lie in this ranges, right? From 0 to 499, 5000 to 9999, okay, and so on. So first of all, what I will do, so let's calculate sales amount. So it going to be calculated by multiplying the sales price into number of units. So here we get 3750. Okay. So select this one and do the double click on the fill handle, right? So the remaining amount will be generated. So the next is discount applicable. Here we have to apply VLOOKUP function. Here I will do a thing different from the earlier video. Here I will select the table, right? And I will name the table here. It is a discount table. And I will, yeah, the table is selected and the name is given the discount table. So the best part of doing this, suppose you have a large number of data and you have to apply VLOOKUP function in the table, and then you have to select the table number of times, right? So by selecting the table once, it helps to save a lot of time, and and again you not have to select the table. It is selected by give the name discount, right? So I'm going to apply VLOOKUP function equal to VLOOKUP, then lookup value. Here the lookup value is the sales amount, then table array, right? Earlier in the previous video, what I did in the table array, I selected the table, right? But here what I have done, I have already selected the table and name is given it discount. What I will do, I will write, yeah, this is discount table, then column index number. So discount percentage, it is given in the third column of the row. So what I will write 3. Then the amount 3750, it is an exact match or approximate match. It is an approximate match. Why? Because the amount is not given exactly in the table. It is lying in the range from 0 to 4999, right? So what I will do, I will write, uh, you can write true, or we can also type 1, okay, in place of true. Select this, so it is 1%, and see the amount 3750, it's lying between 0 to 4999, and the discount percentage applicable is 1%, so it's automatically generated 1%, right? Then do the double click in the fill handle, and the next discount applicable will be generated remaining. Okay, so this is done with the VLOOKUP function. Suppose if you not apply the VLOOKUP, then you will what you will do, you will think of doing manually uh, right? You will see the amount, sales amount, like it is 3750. Then you will see the ranges in which it is lying. Then you will see that discount percentage, it is 1%. Then you will write the 1% under discount applicable, right? So if you, here the data is very limited, small data is there, you can do that. But if the data are large number of data there, okay, this thing it is very exhausted and it would take a lot of time. So here by applying VLOOKUP, it saves our time, right? Then going further, here before calculating net sales after discount, we will calculate the discounted amount, right? So what I will do, I will insert one more column and write a discount amount. So 1% is what I will do. We have to calculate discounted amount. It is calculated by multiplying the percentage with the sales amount. So here the sales amount is this one, selecting this and multiplying with this, it will give this one. So here it is percentage form. What I will do, let's do general. So here the 1% of sales amount, it is 37.5 of 37.5. Then do the same thing which I told earlier. Do the double click on the fill handle, then the remaining amount will be generated. Discount amount will be generated. Then we have to calculate net sales after discount. So it is calculated by a simple mathematical operation, selecting this one, then minus this one, you will get this amount, right? Then do double click, the remaining amount will be generated. So here you have seen that how we can apply VLOOKUP, right? So guys, keep learning and keep practice this thing. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel, and in the next video I will come up with different database in which we will learn in the how we can apply VLOOKUP function in a different tables, right? Okay, bye.